Why choose ABIR X6? One X6 has Camera+VISION+SLAM and SLAM triple navigation system, which has the same performance as the LDS robot. Pay less and get more. 2. The suction power is already updated to 6000 Pa. 3. Compared to the LDS robot, the height of X6 robot is 7.6 centimeters. The thickness of the LDS robot is over 9.5 centimeters. 4. X6 have 600 ml dustbin container and 360 ml electric pump water tank. You can adjust suction power and water speed on app. 5. X6 has many powerful functions because of its triple navigation camera. You can direct X6 to clean a specific spot on map. You can select which area you want to clean on map. You can set 4 Piukis virtual barriers on map. X6 also can do breakpoint resume cleaning. You can find the history map on app when next time cleaning. X6 work more efficiently than other robots with 2D map navigation.